so much for an amazing season. Have a great rest of your off season. Enjoy. And we'll see you guys next year.
Okay, we're starting over then. Oh, that's working, kind of. Should I just mix it? How do I do this?
Maybe stick the spoon down in it.
Oh, there we go.
Stir it up.
ASMR.
Kylie, get that. Cheers! Mmm! Mmm!
That's actually really good.
Thoughts?
I
All
like
right,
it.
my turn.
It's kind of tingly. Sweet and sour.
This much?
I like it. I might have taken too much.
It reminds me of like Jell-O. Creamy Jell-O.
What the frick?
Well, you know what?
Wait, I like it.
It's so good.
What are all those people on about?
It's good, guys.
It is good.
I would eat more.
It tastes
But
like
you
something
can't.
I'd-
On another note, it's Aspen and Snowmass ski resort closing days this weekend. And we have more snow coming, which I'm honestly not super pumped about. But we're gonna have a fun weekend. Tonight though, before the closing of Aspen and Snowmass, we have the closing of Hamilton Sports, the ski shop that Cooper works at. So I'm on my way right now to go to Buck, the bar, where we're gonna have dinner and celebrate another year in the books, another ski season down. Also, the reason I'm not super happy about this snow, obviously snow is great, it's good for the environment, we love it, but tomorrow is Snowmass closing day party and there's a pond skim, and I've been trying to do this pond skim forever. And I really, really want to do it, but it's now like this kind of weather, and that just is not weather that makes doing a pond skim very enticing. However, I've already committed. I'm gonna have to force myself to do this, even in this weather.
Snowing.
This is absurd. Good morning, everyone. It is Snowmass closing day, hence the decorative, my bad, outfit. I don't just, you know, wear this. I honestly should just start wearing the disco ball helmet on a normal ski day. Actually, that's a bad idea because I don't know how much it would actually protect my head. It's a little big. I had to add a little hat under there, but I'm driving Cooper's mom's car because we all know I don't have a car. Hopefully that's gonna change soon. But I'm driving back to his mom's house, gonna go meet up with his little sister, Kylie, and then we're gonna go to Snowmass, go to the party, and hopefully do the pond skim. I heard there's ice chunks in it floating around, and they can't get them to melt because it snowed last night a lot. It's a little bit sunny today, but a little bit cloudy and freezing. It's so cold out. So if I do this pond skim, which I actually have to because I told the ski resort that I would make a video about it for them, then I just hope I don't fall in. Like, I don't want to be swimming around with icebergs. No thank you. Fingers crossed it's sunny when I get there, and fingers crossed we make it across the pond. Kylie's learning how to drive, so I figured it was probably a good idea if we both wore our helmets while we're in the car. I'm just kidding, she's a good driver. Woo! Ballet service! In order to ensure that we are not chickening out today, we're doing the pumpkin first run of the day. How do you feel?
There's a pit in my stomach.
I'm like shaking. It's gonna be okay, we're gonna make it. So far, the 2 people we've watched haven't made it. But it's fine, because we're better than them. I need a little liquid courage. Whew. That's gonna get me through it. That's what I needed. Woo. Woo. Oh. Show me what you got. I'm dying.
One of these ladies clearly did a better job waxing her cheese. Yeah! Oh! But they're both making it anyway! You gotta enter the pond with love. It's the only way. Oh my gosh!
Guys, we found a pig. You have to follow her on Instagram.
Bella Rose.
Bella Rose Aspen.
It's 11 degrees.
She is my angel.
26.
She had Converse on earlier, but her Converse
7 degrees in the pond right now.
Cute. She has Converse.
I didn't get into pond
Wait, it's
skimming.
so. Oh my god. Looking good, Kai. Guys, we did it! And I have a pig. And we have legs! Yeah! Woo! What a great day. I'm so proud of us.
Spectacular.
We crushed it out there, truly.
Monumental.
Honestly, it was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I recommend you try it.
I would too. And the people who got soaked, not us.
Not us.
They seemed like they had a lot of fun also.
True, everyone was smiling.
Yeah.
No frowns. You do need a lot of speed though.
Yeah.
Tuck and go a lot faster than you think. You got it. Try this at home, kids. We're starving, so we're getting ramen. Here, cheers! It's Aspen closing day! It's also my 81st day of the ski season on Aspen Snowmass. Last year I got 80 days, so I thought what better way than to end the season with one more day than I got last year. Gorgeous day out. I'm so pumped. And this is the last day of the ski season, for me at least. Honestly, this is the first year that I've wanted the ski season to end, which is like shocking. I'm surprising myself by even thinking this, but we have like a warm weather trip planned for off season, and it's been in my head for so long, and I'm just so ready for it that it just made the skiing part a little bit harder every day. It snowed last week, and I guess like 2 days ago, and we got fresh snow, and I didn't even want to ski it because I'm in that beach vacation mode in my head already. However, that's not gonna stop me from having a fabulous day today. We're rocking the little Western fit, although I feel like this part makes me look like a trad wife, but it's fine. Hopefully the pit vibers just set it off. Let's go have ourselves a day.
You
That's
skip it.
whatever.
Never. Hold up, where are you going? Liz Bush, can I get your last words of Aspen Mountain?
Speechless. Speechless. But it has been wonderful.
It is sad. Another ski season down. Bittersweet. That was so much fun. I love the ski season. It's my favorite time of year, I think. Also, my busiest time of year, which is amazing. Like, I'm so lucky to be able to ski and share that with you guys as my job. So thank you to you guys for an amazing ski season. I got to meet so many of you too, which was so fun. Even today, I met so many fun people and I just love connecting with you guys. But that's a wrap for the 24-25 ski season. It was a good one. If you made it this far in the video, comment your fave skiing emoji. And I'll see you next week. I love you guys. Bye.